In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone's iCloud to your contacts and set up iCloud for syncing your own contacts. This process will help you keep your contact list up to date across all your Apple devices, ensuring that you have all the important details backed up and accessible whenever you need them. To get started, you'll need to open either the Contacts app or the Phone app on your device. Both of these apps provide the functionality you need to add a new contact. Once you're in, look for the plus icon, usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Tapping this will initiate the process to add a new contact. In this form, there's a field specifically for emails. Here you will enter the person's iCloud email address. This allows you to have their details stored correctly under a unique identifier that's often used across Apple services. After you have entered the email, go ahead and fill in any additional details you may have about the person. This could be their name, phone number, or any other relevant information you'd like to save. Once you've completed inputting all the necessary details, find and tap on the Done button. This will save the contact information you just entered, making it readily available in your contacts list. Now let's move on to setting up your iCloud to sync your contacts. This action will make sure that any contact you add is backed up to the cloud and stays consistent across your Apple devices. Start by navigating to the Settings app on your device. Once there, look to the top of the menu where you'll see your name or your Apple ID banner. Tap on it. In the menu that appears, you'll find iCloud. Tap on that as well. Within the iCloud settings, scroll through the list of apps and services that can be synced. Here you're looking for contacts. You'll see a toggle next to it. If it's not already turned on, go ahead and switch it to the on position. Doing so commands your device to begin syncing your contacts immediately with your iCloud account. With these steps completed, your contacts will now automatically sync with iCloud. This ensures that any new or updated contact information will be readily available on all devices associated with your Apple ID. It's a seamless and efficient way to maintain your contacts, providing peace of mind that all your important connections are safely stored. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to add someone's iCloud to your contacts and ensure your own contacts are synced through iCloud. Stay connected and organized, knowing that your contact list is always up to date and reliably backed up. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with others who might benefit from having their contacts synced through iCloud. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.